The Social Security Administration has announced its cost of living adjustments for 2021. This is going to impact that maximum federal SSI payment for 2021 for eligible recipients. If you are an eligible individual, you're going to see your checks in 2021 have a monthly maximum federal amount of $794. It's $1,191 for an eligible individual with an eligible spouse. And the amount for an essential person, that's someone living with and taking care of an SSI beneficiary, to provide that essential care, that amount is $397 a month. Now, some people might see amounts that look a little lower than that. There are a couple reasons why that might be. First, the amount could be reduced by subtracting monthly countable income. It could also be reduced if you have spouses living together. For an eligible individual with an eligible spouse, the amount payable is divided equally between the two spouses. Now, some people might see additional funds. That's usually happening when the state you live in provides its own SSI benefit, that state supplement that comes with the benefit. Now, on the screen, we're providing some of the cost of living adjustments for some of the other benefit changes. For retired workers, retired couples, disabled workers. We provide the listing that was made available by the Social Security Administration. Now, in the description below, we give you some links to the Social Security Administration's website where you can read more on these cost of living adjustments. You can also read more on estimated average monthly benefits in the press release that the Social Security Administration just released.